Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, I want us to talk about uMakhumalo. Guys, so on the last episode 5 of Uthandweni Nesithembu, after the dinner yodumo, ubaba uMseleko esebatshengisile amakhosikazi akhe ukuthi hayi number 5 is finally here and akusela kubuyele emuva abahambayo sesala sincenga and all that, right? Now that high like indaba ka number 5 isikhona vele and isikhona, ubaba uMseleko was panicking ukuthi uMangwabe might leave njengoba nje wayeshilo ukuthi i-truck isegate. Yeah, ubaba uMseleko was panicking, like genuinely panicking ukuthi uMangwabe engavuka engekho nje eMzumbe. Then ubaba uMseleko was like, you know what, let me go kuMangwabe's house so that uMangwabe angithole ngilapho nje ngiyozendlala nje uMangwabe ngiyothi Mangwabe I'm so sorry, you know, for everything, please don't go and all that, which was a good thing because at the end of the day ubaba uMseleko doesn't want ukubhidliza umndeni wakhe ufuna ukwakha umndeni wakhe, so akafuni, he's saying akafuni kube lo nkosikazi ohambayo. So I thought that was a good thing to do, right? So ubaba uMseleko wahamba waye kuMangwabe, uMangwabe wamthola khona vele. Hayi bafika bakhuluma wazama ukuncenga ubaba uMseleko, hayi wancenga. So after their conversation, lami as a viewer, I felt like ukuthi uMangwabe usangangahambi, uMangwabe usangahlala after their conversation, after ukuncenga kababa uMseleko, which was a good thing ukuthi ubaba uMseleko uncengile. Utheme eqeda lapho ubaba uMseleko I think he sent a voice note to uMayeni because uthe esiya emzini kaMayeni wathola ukuthi uMayeni is not there, because apparently uMayeni vele wathatha impahla zakhe wahamba kibo, so even esizedineni usukele kibo uMayeni. So it wasn't that much of a surprise ukuthi uMayeni akakho emzini wakhe, you know, cause I'm like uyakwazi baba uMseleko ukuthi uMayeni at the moment uhlala ngibo, you know. Anyways, he sent a voice message, voice note to uMayeni, you know, about ukuthi, you know, the whole thing enzakeleyo and laloku ubuza phela ukuthi how uMayeni njengoba uhambe ngini, is it because usungalile awusafuna umendo or uyaphenduka, yabo, into ezinjalo. But bottom line is unjani, he was concerned about ukuthi uMayeni angahambi, uyabo, into ezinjalo. And then vele ubezayolala koMacele, so you know asingeke sithi wasesiya koMacele because vele uzolala koMacele. But guys, ubaba uMseleko akasayanga koMakhumalo. No, that thing didn't sit well with me because like, okay, uMakhumalo is an understanding wife, but like I felt like she still needs support because baqeda ukwethulelwa ngendaba ka number 5. You might never know how she feels about it, you know. But ubaba uMseleko didn't bother to go uMakhumalo. He was like, uMakhumalo is understanding, uMakhumalo vele akayindawo, so there is no need ukuthi ngiye kuMakhumalo. That was wrong. No, that was wrong. Yo, mina if nginguMakhumalo I was gonna be hurt because uMakhumalo uyayidinga la companionship. So I'm wondering how she's gonna feel watching that. Ukuthi ubaba uMseleko wahamba wayoduduza amanye amakhosikazi ngokuthi hayi ukhona osebuya lapha ezolincedisa, yabo, ezolincedisa kunakekela indoda and all that, whatever she came here to do, you know. But wangayi kuMakhumalo simply because Makhumalo is understanding. It didn't sit well with me. Man. And also I really wanted to see a reaction ka Makhumalo like towards the number 5 issue, as much as I know which Makhumalo is that you know what, mina alanda number 5 is here for ubaba uMseleko, is not here for me and all that. I still wanted to see that. on that particular night, but babamsele didn't go. Sometimes ukuba i-understanding wife it's not good, because the next thing manje sekuzathiwa uMakhumalo must give up some of her days for this new lady that's coming, that's already here. Man. And uMakhumalo, because she's understanding, uzathi yebo baba, nkosi yami. No ways. Why? Honestly, I was hurt on behalf of Umakhumalo Shem. I don't wanna lie. Anyways, please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Guys, licabanga ukuthi i-right into yenziwa ngubaba uMsele ukuthi angayi koMakhumalo, abhode imizi yakhe yonke but angayi koMakhumalo just because uMakhumalo is said to be an understanding wife. Liyabona ukuthi uba understanding wife nje does no good sometimes. This is anyways, please do let me know what you think on the comment section. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.